Hi guys, today another historical moment for the Turkish history because there will be a Friday praying in Hagia Sophia Mosque, which was converted a few weeks ago, and today there will be praying there, and now I'm heading there. And look at this crowd. There are a lot of people who is going there now. Look at this crowd. It's too much. By the way, the tram road was closed and almost all of the place will pedestrianize it because of the people who are heading there. It's too much crowd, and I'm really interested how they pray, how they put a social distance with this much people. I don't think they will manage to do it, but we will see. Almost zero social distance. Not even 0.
O siyahın oradan gel.
Thanks for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.